Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill we're making an incredible whiskey barbecue sauce that you're gonna love. And just like always, I'm gonna put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the sauce. So this whiskey barbecue sauce is really delicious. It goes great on ribs or chicken or whatever else you want to put it on. And the important thing is though, to get a good whiskey. Today we're using this whiskey from our friends over at Shelter Point Distillery. It's got incredible flavor. And so make sure you pick up a good whiskey like this. To begin, place 1 cup of ketchup into a saucepan. Then to that, we're gonna add in 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Just give that a quick stir. We're also gonna add in about 1/3 cup of cider vinegar, as well as 1/4 cup of molasses, about 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, about 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. We'll throw in 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder as well to that, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, we're gonna throw in a little bit of the smoked paprika, and we're just gonna put a pinch in. So at this point, with all the initial ingredients mixed together, let's go ahead and give it a taste and just see what it might be missing. That's pretty good as it is. And so now that we know the base flavor, let's go ahead and add in our whiskey. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna place in 2 ounces of this Shelter Point artisanal single malt whiskey. And this is where you wanna add it to your desired taste. You could go 1 ounce, you could go 3 ounces. So I prefer to go about 2 ounces because it has a nice balanced flavor between that traditional barbecue sauce and that whiskey flavor that we're looking for. Guys, you're really gonna enjoy this sauce. It's perfect on ribs, perfect on chicken, and I know you're gonna love it. So there you have it, that delicious whiskey barbecue sauce for your next cook. Hey, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, we'll see you next time.